Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a lot of hodgepodge of hauls. Anyway, got some from Walmart. These little strong, it says strong marketing tags. I took my little Cricut cartridges, not cartridges, these weren't the cartridges, but the booklets, and I put them in the recollection shoebox. I had them in the Cricut actual case that you hold with the little egg carton thing, and then the other little three slotted things. If you have Cricut cartridges, you know what I'm talking about. The little art bin type storage. And I had so many of those. I have a lot of Cricut cartridges, and I was like, I'm trying to change my space around, so I decided I don't need them out like that. I really don't use them except to flip through the books. I don't need the cartridges per se. Displayed like that, so I figured I'd put them in a shoebox, or a couple shoeboxes rather, just to conserve space, and it does work. But when you put them in there, then you have to pull everything out to see what you got. So I was going to I took somebody put these little tags on them, and they labeled them, attached to them, that way they can find them. I'm going to see if that works. Or I could put dividers in them, but then I would need a divider for each one. I don't know. I'm going to see. But I got them from Walmart, and I finally got some more white paint from Walmart, just a little cheap paint, because white and black, like the primer colors, have been out of the plaid and of this one, and the other one, what's the other brand? Old Folk, whatever it is. Both of them have been out for like ever, because I guess everybody now is doing DIY stuff at home. And I just picked up some little nuts and bolts and washers and stuff that you can use in mixed media. And they were all 97 cents each, just, some junk nuts and bolts. So I figured I'd add these to some mixed media because, they're looking for some background. These are just two more Dollar Tree calendars that I would tear apart or use to alter. Just the backgrounds, the sync and the colors too, if I want to use it in the glue book, just from the shades of colorings that you can get in here, since it's hard to find magazines and magazines cost more. You can use these scenic backgrounds to get you some different shades of like oranges and reds, and not just the greens and blues, but also you got your sand colors, so yellows in there too, so great for glue books. Look at that. Now my name is Dawn. Ta-da! Is that not the Dawn right there? So sunrises and sunsets from dusk to dawn. So again, the same thing with these colors, to use in glue books or to use in an art journal, whichever. But that's what they're for, to be altered. So I like buying the calendars from the Dollar Tree to do that. And then, and this is old. This is way before Christmas. I had all this stuff, but I hadn't done any videos. This is from Tuesday Morning, Stan Pendants, and this is one of the pop accessories. I have some of the other ones, but I didn't have this one. So it was $8.99, so I went on and got it. Michael's used to sell, I haven't seen this one in Michael's. Michael's sell the other ones, because I could have got it with a 40% off coupon, but I hadn't seen this particular one, at least in my Michael's around here. Any of them they have, I missed it. But I went on and got it. So this is says Bobbler, pop-up card, stand, hinge, and pop-up box. So it was $8.99, so I thought that was cute. And I was only saw one. And again, this was before Christmas. Probably 2 weeks before Christmas. Yep, because this is when I was going to work. Maybe, the beginning of December. I just haven't had a chance to do a haul. This has been in and out for a while, but I just ended up picking it up this time. This came out a couple of months ago, but I got another one. And then this might be the first one I got. I can't remember, but anyway, I got it because it was boys, masculine, and the colors. I could use some of this chipboard maybe on a scrapbook layout or something like that. So anyway, and this was $4.99 for the 2-pack. And this may be the end of the haul, or I may add on to it. Okay, so I'm adding on to the end of the last video because I did forget to show a couple things. These are from the Dollar Tree. I already showed it. Maybe I did show this, I can't remember. I think I did. But anyway, just in case I didn't. I showed the other one with the perfume bottle. I know I showed that one. But this is the one that says happy birthday, party, surprise, fun, let's celebrate. And this one's about your heart, smile, joy, strength, home, resolve, trust, forever, good times cherished, thankful journey, things like that, welcome, explore, commitment. So These are pretty good rub-ons. You can use rub-ons. We don't use them enough. I know I don't, but you can use these on ATCs, iCads, zines, art journal pages. You can use them on your scrapbook pages. You can use them on a card, inside a card. So you can use them on anything, you know. But I got them because they had different, you know, stands and different fonts. And for $1, you can't beat that. The other thing was I did pick this up. This was just, I thought I'd put this in my closet, in my craft closet. Just a little shelf to hang a couple things on, like so, I don't know, you could put anything on it. But you can, or in your room, you can put a plant frame or whatever. So, I'm not decided yet, but I did pick up 2 of these just in case. I know stuff like this disappears a lot. Where I'm going to use it or what I'm going to do with it. But it will be in my craft room. I did pick up this from Walmart. Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy. We had, well, our little scrapbook Zoom group that we used, have been using since the pandemic started. We do like challenges and stuff. We had made a mini album out of a paper bag, and she was talking about the smaller ones. And I went into Walmart and I saw these. I said, "Oh, these are the ones she was talking about." They were near the Cricket Owl. They're made by Colorbach, excuse me. Colorbach, and they're 3.5 by 2 by 6.75. And I like these better than the regular paper bags. They're so nice and neat. Or you know, you can get the Celebrate ones, but these were less than $2 at Walmart. And then I did pick up this nail polish holder, which I already opened up. I was showing them on the Zoom. I got this thinking, yeah, you can put the nail polish bottle in here, you know. But I also thought, like, if we do a t-shirt or something, you know, you can use this for your weeding, even though it's not the same as the other tool, but you can put your vinyl trash in here. So that was my thinking, you know. And for $1, pretty good alternate to use and buy the other one. So if you can't afford to get the other one, get that from the Dollar Tree. It's a nail polish holder, and you can use that to put your weeding in from your vinyl, and you just sit it between your fingers, or you can use it for your nail polish like it's intended. But anyway, so I think that's the final of the final. So thanks for liking, watching, subscribe. I wish you an awesome year, everyone, and thanks for liking, watching, subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.